Hi, it's me again with Corel tips and tricks, and somebody needs help putting this staircase railing into this shape. Well, first of all, you need to get it uh, even with the angle, so we're going to move that to about right there. We're going to move it down a little bit. Having trouble getting it to stay. Then I'm going to double click on the rotation, and I'm going to get where I can see it. I'm going to take one of the rotation handles and just rotate it. And it went back to the center, but that's good. We're at even good amount. So now I'm going to take this shape and put it right in here. And I am going to then set my nudge factor on like 2000. And I'm going to nudge that up. And then I'm going to take my smart fill tool and fill in this shape. So we have this shape. And I'm going to do this. And then I'm going to left click and right click. And I'm going to get rid of, there's some problem nodes right here in the drawing. There's a little bit of a mishap or whatever. So I'm going to hit delete. And there's one on this end. I could just see it because it's been making my computer crash when I make the border. So now I can move this over and it's not quite big enough. So I'm going to elongate it just a little bit. And then I'm going to grab both of them. I'm going to use the Intersect tool. But what's going to happen, it's taking away our border. And this is what's making my computer crash, and hopefully it won't this time. I'm going to take the the fin tool. I'm going to make it like 50 millimeters. And then I'm going to put the position to the inside. Say okay. Then I can move this over and down, and I got the border back on exactly where it should be. Now, I first, if you could see this back here, it's actually its page size. It's actually its page, so it's not really there. So anytime you can put any, this is where I'd strongly suggest not using power clip because that looks really, really good, and I know for sure it won't print or engrave outside that area. But anyway, I hope that helped them a little bit. Thank you for watching.